The topic for this article is Artificial Intelligence, AI Agents and the Law, Legal Practices, Reform and Education. How artificial intelligence is redesigning laws and legal practices, implementation, and education. The new age of intelligence in law and society. The world is entering a defining era in which artificial intelligence, AI agents, and quantum technologies are integrating deeply into the structures of human governance, justice, and education. Law, the backbone of civilization, is now being redesigned, not merely updated, through intelligent computational systems that enhance reasoning, interpretation, and enforcement. AI is no longer confined to automating tasks. It is becoming a sophisticated partner in legal reasoning, capable of learning, analyzing, and assisting human judgment at an unprecedented scale and speed. The synergy between AI, intelligent agents, and data-driven governance is establishing a new foundation for justice systems, policy reform, and legal education globally. This integrated paradigm is not just transforming law but also strengthening society's ability to manage complexity, fairness, and ethics in a digital world. Artificial intelligence and AI agents in legal practice. AI technologies are fundamentally transforming how lawyers, law firms, corporations, and courts operate. In practice, AI agents perform a range of high-level functions, from intelligent contract drafting and real-time legal research to predictive analysis of litigation outcomes. Machine learning algorithms can scan millions of legal documents in seconds, identify precedents, detect risk factors, and support strategic decision-making with unparalleled precision. AI-driven compliance systems continuously monitor regulatory updates, helping firms align with changing legal requirements automatically. Intelligent AI agents can also perform client interactions, case intake, and document classification through natural language processing. These developments are not about replacing human lawyers but about enhancing their capability to focus on higher-order reasoning, negotiation, and client strategy. The result is a more efficient, accurate, and transparent legal practice where knowledge, insight, and decision-making are amplified by machine intelligence. Redesigning laws for the AI-driven world. As AI and autonomous agents become embedded in everyday life, from self-driving vehicles to smart contracts and digital governance, laws themselves must evolve to reflect the new dynamics of human-machine interaction. AI is not only a tool for interpreting laws but also an active participant in shaping legal norms. Legal frameworks are now addressing the status, responsibility, and accountability of autonomous systems. Questions such as who is liable when an AI makes a decision, how to ensure fairness in algorithmic judgment, and how to maintain privacy in AI-based evidence analysis are defining a new wave of legislative thought. Many jurisdictions are drafting AI-specific regulatory frameworks that integrate legal, ethical, and technical dimensions. The European Union's AI Act and the emerging models in Australia and Asia-Pacific represent a global trend towards legal harmonization in AI governance. AI and quantum computation-based simulations also allow policymakers to test the potential effects of new regulations before implementation, improving legislative precision and efficiency. This marks a new era of law where technology itself becomes a collaborative instrument in designing, testing, and enforcing justice. AI agents, legal reasoning, and judicial decision-making. In the judicial environment, AI systems are redefining how evidence, arguments, and precedents are analyzed. Courts in several countries are experimenting with AI-based case management, predictive justice tools, and intelligent documentation systems. AI agents trained on vast repositories of case law can assist judges in identifying comparable cases, calculating probability-based sentencing predictions, and evaluating evidentiary coherence. Quantum computing adds another layer of advancement by allowing optimization across enormous multidimensional datasets, enabling faster and more accurate pattern detection. Combined with ethical AI models, these systems are improving both consistency and access to justice. Importantly, AI-supported courts can help reduce delays and enhance transparency, making legal systems more accessible for citizens. While human judges retain the moral and interpretive authority, AI provides an analytical backbone that eliminates inefficiencies, enhances accuracy, and supports impartiality. Legal education and academic reform in the AI era. The transformation of law through AI requires an equivalent transformation in legal education. Universities and law schools must now train a new generation of legal professionals who understand both legal reasoning and computational logic. Academic curricula are shifting from traditional memorization of statutes towards data-driven analysis, legal informatics, and algorithmic accountability. Students are being trained in how AI agents operate, how machine learning models interpret data, and how ethics must guide AI-based decision-making. Courses integrating law, AI, and quantum computing are emerging to prepare professionals capable of designing, regulating, and applying intelligent legal systems. Interdisciplinary education, combining computer science, law, economics, and ethics, is now essential. Academic institutions are also employing AI for research synthesis, plagiarism detection, and automated peer review, enhancing scholarly quality and global collaboration. Research on AI and law is expanding into areas such as algorithmic justice, legal ontology modeling, AI governance, and quantum-secured legal databases. The academic landscape is evolving towards building intelligent, adaptive, and responsible legal systems for the next generation. AI agents, quantum technologies, and integrated legal systems. The convergence of AI and quantum technologies will transform the very fabric of legal architecture. Quantum-enhanced AI agents can process massive amounts of legal, financial, and governance data with extraordinary precision and security. Quantum encryption ensures data integrity in legal communications, protecting sensitive information from cyber threats. Quantum machine learning enables real-time legal simulations, allowing policies to be dynamically tested for fairness and socio-economic impact before enactment. Multi-agent AI systems operating within quantum environments can model entire justice ecosystems, including human behavior, institutional dynamics, and ethical variables. These integrated technologies enable the development of adaptive legal systems that evolve in tandem with society, allowing them to respond rapidly to crises, digital transformation, and global governance challenges. This integrated paradigm represents not only an advancement in computational capability but also a new philosophy of justice, intelligence embedded in law itself. The broader significance for society and governance. Artificial intelligence and AI agents in law go far beyond technological efficiency. They redefine how humanity administers fairness, ethics, and trust. A well-integrated AI legal ecosystem supports transparency, inclusivity, and accountability in decision-making. AI can help detect bias in legal processes, monitor corruption, and provide equitable access to justice for people in remote or underrepresented regions. In government, AI-driven legislative and judicial systems enhance the precision and responsiveness of public policies. Automated compliance monitoring ensures adherence to environmental, corporate, and human rights regulations. AI-enabled global legal cooperation can harmonize cross-border transactions, digital trade, and cybersecurity laws. These applications highlight the profound social, economic, and humanitarian potential of integrating AI and law to create a safer, fairer, and more efficiently managed world. Challenges, ethics, and the human dimension. While technological integration advances, maintaining human oversight and ethical clarity remains essential. AI systems must operate under strict frameworks of transparency, accountability, and data protection. Algorithmic fairness and explainability are critical for upholding human trust in automated legal systems. Ethics boards, regulatory commissions, and academic researchers must work collaboratively to ensure that AI serves humanity's best interests rather than undermining justice or human rights. The human mind's interpretive depth, empathy, and moral reasoning remain indispensable in balancing the analytical rigor of AI with the moral foundation of law. The future of law will not be human versus machine but human and machine working in harmony to maintain justice in a complex, intelligent world. Call for collaboration and innovation. The intersection of AI agents, quantum technologies, and law offers limitless opportunities for academic research, industry collaboration, and societal advancement. This is an open invitation to scholars, technologists, policymakers, and legal practitioners to collaborate in developing intelligent, ethical, and adaptive legal ecosystems. Collaborative work in this area can contribute to better governance, stronger institutions, and more equitable societies. By joining efforts, we can build AI-augmented legal frameworks that ensure both efficiency and human dignity. The future belongs to those who understand that technology and justice must evolve together, intelligence guided by ethics, computation informed by humanity. Conclusion. Towards intelligent law for an intelligent world. Artificial intelligence, AI agents, and quantum technologies together are not just modern tools but the new foundation of legal, educational, and institutional transformation. They are enabling the world to move from reactive legal systems to proactive, data-driven, and ethically intelligent governance structures. The integration of these technologies signifies a profound advancement in how societies administer justice, protect rights, and educate future generations. The law of the future is an intelligent, adaptive, and compassionate system, designed not only to regulate but to empower humanity. This is the moment to engage, innovate, and collaborate in shaping the intelligent legal systems of tomorrow. The convergence of AI, law, and education will determine not only how we govern our societies but how we define intelligence, fairness, and humanity in the coming era. If you enjoyed this discussion, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Stay tuned for more insights on AI, quantum computing, and emerging technologies shaping the future of software and humanity.